How to buy Amazon Prime in iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can buy Amazon Prime on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to buy Amazon Prime subscription on your iPhone, we will not use the Prime Video app or the Amazon app. In this case, we will just open up our Safari browser. And then you simply want to come to primevideo.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Once you go to primevideo.com, if you already have a Prime Video account, you can just tap on sign in, or you can tap and start your free trial over here. In this case, I'll just tap on the sign in option. Now, if you have not yet created an Amazon account, you have to create one right away by just tapping on the create new Amazon account button. Or else you simply want to go ahead and then make sure to enter your email address and password. So I will go ahead and then do that respectively as well. So once I enter my Prime Video email and password or my Amazon account's password, I'll just tap on the sign in button to finish signing into my account, and then it will basically take me to a next page where I can simply subscribe to Amazon Prime using my card details. So as you can see now, when we tap on the start your free trial button, it will take me to this page where I have to simply enter my credit or debit card number, then make sure to enter my name on my card, then my card number, then my expiration date. Make sure that your card information is correct. If it's correct, then you'll be able to successfully get the premium version of Amazon Prime. That's all it takes to subscribe to Amazon Prime in iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.